So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to create an account on impact.com. So first, you need to open your web browser, but in this case, I'm going to use a Safari because I'm using an iOS. So after that, search for the impact.com and visit their website, and once you're in, you will see this page, and for you to able to redirect to the sign up page, you just have to click on the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, you will see below the request a demo button, which is the sign in. Just click on that one, and once you click on that, you will see right here the sign in page. So in this case, we are going to create an account, so we need to find the sign up page. So as you can see right here at the bottom, the no account, sign up as a. So you have three options right here, which is you could sign up as a partner, a brand, or an agency. So basically, if you're looking for a brand, agency, or partner, just click on either of the three. So, for example, if you're going to sign up as a brand, just click on a brand and you will redirect to this page, and that's how you create on impact.com an account. So basically, if you cannot create an account here, just go to their customer support and click the get support now. So you could click the contact support team, and here's a way for them to reach out onto you and help you create an account on them. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.